Hey, what's up? Cartoons here. Beautiful ass day, Wednesday. And I want to show y'all something. I went to GameStop and I've been looking for this figure. This trooper here. The rocket launcher. But check this out. The box is taped up. Looks like it's been opened. But thought I'd take a chance. Hopefully this is what's in the box. So we're gonna open this and see if this is what's in the box. Let's open it.
Shut up and sit down.
Also picked up this guy. Isn't that dope? Of course, it is what it is because it's, it's window. So you see the Umbra Operative ARC Trooper. This was one of two that they had in the store. So GameStop and Austell. So yeah, I got this guy too. Okay, put the phone in the phone holder so I could use my hands. I could have waited till I got home, but I wanted to do this on camera and see if it is what it is in here. I asked them if I could return it. They said if it's been opened, you can't return it. So if somebody opened this and returned it, they couldn't have it because you can't return something if it's been opened. So here we go. Here's this, and let's see. It looks pretty snug. What's this? Let's look at the weapon first and see if the weapon is the rocket launcher. Okay, that looks like the rocket launcher. Okay. Is this the trooper? Yes! It's the trooper. Got the pauldron. Nice. Okay. Woo! Man, with this windowless packaging, man, you just don't know. You just don't know, especially with a box as jacked up as this was. So, we got it. We lucked out. We didn't get swapped. I think you're pretty safe at GameStop with windowless because they don't accept packages that's been opened. So for somebody to swap, they'd have to open it and then really put it back together really good so it doesn't look like it's been opened. But this was obviously, it was so obviously repackaged. It must have came delivered like really like jacked up, so they tried to fix it or whatever in the store. But yeah, so we got it. Later guys, peace.